Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you one more example, speedometer checking using of if, elif and else. So please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So now I am going to take a new variable, distance. Distance is equal to float of input of enter the distance traveled in kilometers. So enter the distance traveled in kilometers. Next, time. Float of input of enter the journey time in hours. So first calculate the average speed. So average speed is equal to distance divided by time. So first I am calculating the average speed per hour. Print of average speed. Now I am going to write the conditions. If average speed is less than or equal to 100, print of have a safe and happy journey. Have a safe and happy journey. Elif. Average speed is greater than 100, greater than or equal to 100, and average speed less than 130. What it means? If it is greater than 100 or under less than 130, print of traffic violation fine amount 1000 rupees. Elif average speed greater than or equal to 130 and average speed less than 150. That means if anyone is above 130 and below 150, that means in between, print of traffic violation. So let me take the print statement here. Traffic violation, fine amount 2500 rupees. Let me write one more print statement, one more condition. If average speed is above or equal to 150 and average speed less than 170, traffic violation, fine amount is 5000. So, if anyone is above 150 and less than 170, they are going to receive the fine amount 5000 rupees. Else, if anyone is above 170, print of license cancelled. License cancelled. So let me execute. So first the user enter the distance traveled. For example, he traveled like a 1300 kilometers. Time hours is 8 hours. In 8 hours. So what is the average speed per hour? 162. So you can check the condition where I written. If the condition here, if anyone is travelled above 150 and below 170, that means it belongs to this block. So here the person is the average speed is 162.5, that is in between of 150 and 170. So he is going to receive the fine amount is 5000 rupees. So let me check. Now you can check the condition. How many kilometers? Maybe 800 kilometers. And he traveled he taken time like a 14 hours. Now you can see the average speed per hour is 57 kilometers only. That's why there is no fine amount. Have a safe and happy journey. Let me explain here. So here this block. So first we are collecting the average, how many kilometers, that is 800. And what is the journey time? Total 14 hours. So 14 hours, the formula get executed. So 800 divided by 14 and the average speed is here 57.14. 57.14. So if the average speed means 57, 57 is, here you can take the 57.14 is less than 100. So that's why condition is true. If condition is true, the if block gets executed, the print statement gets executed. So this is the way. If you enter the distance and the kilometers, it will check the conditions, all elif blocks. First it will check the condition. If in between, if the value is in between, then that print statement where the condition is true, that print statement get executed. Let me show you one more. For example, 1800 kilometers he travelled, the journey time is only 8 hours. You can see the average speed per hour is 225. That's why else block get executed, license cancelled. If anyone is above 170, they are going to be cancelled with the license. So this is the way you can write the if, elif, else conditional statements. So thank you. See you in next video. I am going to show you some more examples Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.